judges. We are from SMK Matanghile. My name is Nia.
My name is Cornelius Tipes.
My name is Tatiana.
I am Alexander Rana Bruce.
Without further ado, let us introduce the 3-in-1 air conditioning system.
Without further ado, let me introduce our team's innovation, which is the 3-in-1 air conditioning system. We intend to reduce the carbon footprint by introducing this contraption, through which it may be possible to use a smaller amount of electricity to freeze water into ice cube, and to propel the fans we use to blow filtered air into the box containing ice cubes of blocks. The cooled air will be pushed through pandan leaf, which will leave a nice smell to the room. Tatiana, present the materials to use for this project.
For a system, we use mostly materials we can find laying around the house. As you can see, we use computer CPU cooling fans, 2 home use storage plastic container, and ice. We spray painted the container though it's not necessary. We utilize kitchen sponge. We also make use of leftover electric connector, hot glue sticks, and leftover electrical wires. As for the tools used, we did use a jigsaw to cut a outlet slots and fan hose. We also use a pair of scissors, a knife, a screwdriver, and a glue gun.
We now have a choice to choose from. We may want to install conventional electric or air conditioning system available in the market. How about in your toilet or kitchen? It might not be practical to install conventional air conditioner in a toilet, is it? But our invention is practical. Why so? Because it is small.
Second, you can power it with solar panel or simultaneously with batteries charged by solar panels. And because it comes with fragrance, it could make your toilet smell better.
That's right.
Of course, you may use whatever fragrance you prefer, such as cake fragrance your mommy has, car perfume your daddy likes, or lemongrass in your backyard. Last but not least, by utilizing materials available around the house, you could support cycling. Campage.
A bigger system is practical for a larger room.